At Dataai, we offer premium signals to maximize alpha. As part of the investment team, you currently don't have reliable data for apps and publishers. As a result, you're unable to understand the performance of your investment target relative to key competitors. With top charts, you can view downloads, revenue, and engagement estimates on a daily, weekly, and monthly basis. Armed with this valuable data, you can now accurately benchmark your investment against the right competitive set and better assess business performance. For example, Triller might see significant growth in users, but when compared against TikTok, it's clear that they are neither the industry leader nor gaining market share. These signals will provide more clarity into the relative performance of your potential investments, helping to maximize alpha.